In this lesson, we are going to take a look at a few of the ways that we can modify dimensions. One way that we can modify dimensions is through grips. If I select a dimension, I'll see possibly several different grips. As I look at a linear dimension, I have a grip on the text itself, which allows me to move the text in case I need to stagger it. I also get some additional options if I just hover over the grip. I can also select a grip on one of the dimension lines to stretch the dimension out or in. I can actually grab one of the grips where the extension line meets the object and actually change what is being dimensioned. However, while doing so, the value might update. This typically breaks the associativity of the dimension, and if the object is changed, this value might not update. So be aware of that. If you do have a dimension pointing to the wrong spot, it's probably a better idea to delete it and recreate a new one than it is to try to just move the grip. Let's take a look at a couple other options here. On diameter and radius dimensions, I can select them and grab the grips to stretch out where they are pointing and how far away the leader is. And on any dimension, you can double click on it to edit the text just like you would a regular text editor. So I'm going to double click on this diameter 0.5 dimension here, and the purple highlighted text here indicates the associative dimension. I don't want to remove that, but I can type before or after it. For example, maybe I want to put in a note that says 2 times in front of this one. Or similarly, on this radius of 0.5 on the right side, I'm going to arrow over to the right side of the text box and put in TYP for typical. To summarize, there are several ways that you can edit dimensions using grips, and you can also double-click on the dimensions to edit the text itself. That concludes this lesson on editing dimensions in AutoCAD.